What is electricity?
According to US Energy Information Administration, electricity is both a basic part of nature and one of the most widely used forms of energy, which means that electricity plays a huge role in one's daily life and in society. However, if it is not properly used or controlled, it can cause to serious danger or even death to a person. That is why an electrical grounding system is important in most homes and in buildings in order to avoid such accidents if ever there are uncertain circumstances like short circuit.
But how does an electrical grounding system work?
Here's an illustration of a circuit with an electrical grounding system. As you can see, there is a power supply that converts alternating current from one voltage to another, and an outlet which allows electrical appliances to be connected to the power grid. Both of them are connected by the two wires, the hot wire and the neutral wire. The function of the hot wire is to transfer the electricity from the power supply and then will take over to the load. On the other hand, the neutral wire carries the used electricity back to the power supply. But what is the use of the ground wire? Ground wires are essential in most homes and in buildings because whenever a lightning strikes or excessive power surge occurs, home appliances and devices that connect electricity will not be affected. Rather, all of that excess electricity will be directly transferred to the ground and will not pass through the person's body. So what will happen if there is no grounding system? This is what will happen if there is no grounding system at homes. In contrary to the previous scenario, the excess electricity will flow directly through the human's body and will cause serious danger or death. Therefore, grounding system saves lives, and I must say that we must be better prepared than sorry.
Electrical grounding system also has its advantages and disadvantages. Let us tackle first its advantages. There are many reasons why grounding system is important, and one of those is overload protection.
Whenever there are uncertain circumstances like short circuit, home appliances and devices that connect the electricity will not be affected. Rather, all of those excess electricity will be transferred to the ground and will go back to the power supply. Another reason why it is essential is because it stabilizes voltage levels. It ensures that there are no circuits overloaded and blown, since the earth provides that universal standard point of reference. Grounding system also helps direct electricity. The power will be directly transmitted to wherever a person needs it, which allows electrical currents to cautiously and accurately travel throughout the electrical system. Moreover, Earth is also a great conductor of electricity where it makes the grounding system functional in terms of safety and welfare of individuals, for the reason that excess electricity will always travel the path of least resistance. Lastly, grounding system prevents damage, injury, and death. There will be greater risk in any appliances at homes and in buildings and more susceptible to accidents when there is no properly grounded electrical system. Substantially, extensive property and data loss as well as physical injuries and fatalities will be avoided since grounding system neutralizes the overload of power that causes risk and casualties. However, it also has its weak points and downsides. Grounding system may create high levels of ground fault current. If components of electrical circuit are not properly grounded with the grounding system, then loads will be uneven. Another thing is that it can be costly to implement. In evaluating the installation of a grounding system, there are codes that needs to be implemented, but for an unfortunate reason, antiquated homes and structures may not be in conformity with its codes and upgrades, which makes it more expensive for homeowners for the reason that there will be a lot of work and adjustments to be done and applied. These are the main reasons why grounding system is necessary in homes and especially in buildings.
That is what an electrical grounding system all about. I hope you've learned something about it and may help you in some ways. Thank you for watching and may God bless you always. Bye!